Okay, everyone, welcome back to a rather strange new academic year of 2020-2021. Hope you're all safe and well, and your families also. Just a quick video just to go through for those who are currently in or going into sixth year this year, the changes to the Leaving Certificate 2021 all going well, and you'll actually be able to sit it. So this is for both, so Leaving Certificate Accountant, both higher and ordinary level. So currently, again, you've same 9 questions. What used to be the case is that question 1 was on final accounts, 120 marks, or you had the choice of either doing your final accounts question or any 2 of questions 2, 3 and 4, which could be anything. Okay. Section 2 was made up of questions 5, 6 and 7. Question 5 was always ratios, and then 6 and 7 again could be anything. And then question 3, management accounting, questions 8 and 9, and you chose either question 8 on costing or question 9 on budgeting. The adjustments, because obviously our new 6th years this year have probably been the most affected by the pandemic, so they've been given a little bit of leeway, a little bit of a break. So as you can see, briefly say, so questions 2, 3 and 4, there's no adjustment, and section 3, your costing or budgeting, no adjustment. Okay, I suppose it's not really an adjustment. Section 2, they're saying that question 5 will be on interpretation of accounts. It always was, but I suppose they're just making it official, the question 5, because even though it has always been, it wasn't really a written law that question 5 had to be interpretation, but this year it is. So the summer or the June exams in 2021, question 5 will be a ratios question. Okay, but probably the biggest change is relating to your section 1, and in particular your question 1, which was always your final accounts question. Okay, so question 1, always either a sole trader or a company or a manufacturing account. And generally speaking, you had to, well, some people tried to predict, but generally you would cover all 3 to make sure that you were covered. Now you're going to have 2 and you pick 1. Okay, so if you don't like, let's say, the manufacturing account, the 3 sections in it, you can just do sole trader and company, knowing that at least one of those 2 is going to be on your exam. If you don't like company, you could leave it out and just concentrate on sole and manufacturing, knowing that one of those 2 is going to come up. Okay, so that's the biggest adjustment, is that question 1 will have 2 options. So it'll be a sole trader and a company and you pick 1, a sole trader and a manufacturing and you pick 1, or a company and a manufacturing and you pick 1. Okay, so again, welcome back to everybody. Hope this has given you maybe a little bit of comfort. Again, most of you would have known about this and probably would be told by teachers in the coming days and weeks ahead, but just to give you a heads up on it. Okay, thanks.